Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by auditing your index now. Identify headings, hero content, and any slow-loading assets so you know what to prioritize. Once done, pick 1 or 2 complementary fonts and a clear 3-color palette to keep visuals consistent. Make a spacing scale for margins and padding so elements align naturally. Then add a minimal CSS reset and define root variables. This gives you a single place to tweak aesthetics quickly without hunting through files. Now focus on layout and hierarchy. Set font sizes and weights to create clear reading order and use contrast to guide the eye. Implement a 12-column grid with consistent gutters. Set half-width and full-width breakpoints so the index adapts and keeps rhythm on mobile. Balance whitespace against content density to make sections breathe. Finally, refine microcopy, short, action-driven CTAs, and clear headings, because visuals and words together make your index feel intentional and professional. Finish by adding subtle motion to enhance feedback. Keep animations short, around 100 to 200 milliseconds, and use gentle easing so interactions feel natural. Optimize images with WebP or modern formats, responsive SRC set, and lazy loading to preserve performance. Test accessibility. Check color contrast, keyboard navigation, and fallback fonts so everyone sees the design. If something breaks, revert variables or swap the last.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.